Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Bobby. Today we will be making stir-fried mushrooms with Shanghai flowering cabbage. First, we put about 500 grams of Shanghai flowering cabbage that has been washed on the cutting board. Cut off the root of the Shanghai flowering cabbage and cut it into sections at 1/3 and 2/3. Smash 4 cloves of garlic with a kitchen knife and finely chop. Cut off some of the roots of the mushrooms before cutting into slices. First heat the wok at high temperature and then pour about 10 grams of cooking oil into it. Heat for another minute on high heat. Chop to dried chilies into pieces, then toss in the wok with the minced garlic and stir. Fry for a minute or so. Pour the sliced mushrooms into the frying pan and stir fry for about 45 seconds, adding a little more oil. Pour in the chopped Shanghai flowering cabbage, stir fry for 1 minute, then add 20 milliliters of water. Continue to stir fry for a minute. Then close the lid and simmer for a minute. After opening the lid, stir fry and then add 2 grams of salt. Stir fry for about 30 seconds, then take out of the frying pan and put on a plate.